Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope you're fine and doing well. You all 6 online support. Lesson for class textbook integrated studies, computer science, chapter 11, class 2, tripartite. Summary of the lesson is in this lesson we are going to learn more about adding information to a text and how can we align the title on a paragraph. We will learn how can we align, how can we format a title on a paragraph. So forward for thought of the day.
Thought of the day. One small positive thought can change your whole day. Today's topic is title objectives. Today we will learn to apply the formatting to the paragraphs. The success criteria is we can use these short keys in order to make our work easier. We can use press Control A to select the text, we can use Control Z to undo any command, and Control S to save the text. So basically these were the short keys. Okay, so let's have a quick review to our previous lesson. What we have done in our previous task, we have learned about different formations where we do applied different formations to our paragraph, to our text. Okay, so let's move forward to Microsoft Word to recap our previous task. Okay, in the previous task we have learned about font group icons and paragraph commands where we give a title and aligned it properly using font group icons and paragraph alignments. Okay, so today our task is about, okay, so for instance I have typed this paragraph over here and I want to change the font size. Okay, I want to select the text, so I am pressing Ctrl A with the help of keyboard. Now I am changing the font face. You can change any font face by clicking on the down arrow. Okay, you can choose any of them. I am choosing Calibri and I want to change the font size. So this way you can also change the font size. Okay, my paragraph, my text is on the left side, so I am aligning it to the center. If you want to change your paragraph alignments to the right side, then you can click on right side, and if you want to justify it, then you can justify your text. If you click on the justify, this will align text to the both left and right margins, adding extra space between words as necessary. Basically this creates a clean look along the left and right side of the page. Okay, I am putting my paragraph to the center over here. So this way you can change the formations alignments to your text.
Okay, so do practice this at home. Type a paragraph, give a title to your paragraph, and format it with the font group icon. Do practice this at home. There's no assignment, but you need to practice it at home. Do apply font groups, formation on your paragraph, and alignments to the paragraph to make your text look more attractive, to look makes your text look more catchy. So don't forget to practice this at home. Okay, so in the end, I just want to say do the right thing when no one is watching, because we need to show integrity by doing the right thing when no one is watching, because we know Allah is watching our each and every activity. Whatever we do, whatever we think, whatever we want to do, Allah Ta'ala knows it. So do the right thing, do right things for people, right? Take care of yourself and your family. Love.